How to link your Facebook page to a messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to link your Facebook page to Messenger. Now without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you have opened the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. From there, simply tap on the drop down icon beside the name, and from there tap on your page. Now once you have opened that page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. From there, select settings from the top of the menu by tapping on the gear icon or the settings icon. And once you are in the settings section, use the search bar in the settings to type messenger. And once you have done that, from the results, find and tap on allow people and pages to message your page. Now go back to the main settings and once again tap on messaging. Now in this section, make sure to toggle on the messaging option here as well. And that's it. With this, your Facebook page is now linked to your messenger, allowing you to manage messages more efficiently. And with this, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.